Hello and welcome to my LED Spotlight remote control demonstration. So these are the Lumary Smart outdoor spotlights, which you can put outside, which are waterproof, or you can put them inside. They do not produce any heat. They are LED lights, and there are 6 spotlights per strand. Okay, so what I want to show you today is the demonstration using the remote control, which are preset default settings, using the remote control of what these lights can do. So first off, in order to turn the lights on, you have what is called a control box. So you can just turn on, you plug in the strand, then you hit the control box button, and the lights come on white. Okay. Then you can hit the control button again right here, and they are a cool white. That means it has a blue to it. You can click it again, and they turn red. So let me just turn this on for a second. So this is the control box, and then you click it again, and they turn green. You click again, and they're blue. And click. Now you go to a sequence of different colors going from right to left, and then they just kind of blink on, blink all the way down, and then blink off. Hit. Let me hit the remote control again. The control box. And now you have all the colors that are slowly fading into another color. So even though there are 6 colors separately, each alloy spotlight has a chip in them, which allows each color to turn many different colors. So these are made of alloy metal, so they do not rust. They're waterproof, and you can put them outside. And when you put them outside, you do have what is called a ground mount. This is alloy, this is metal, it does not rust. You would attach this alloy ground mount just like that on the bottom of the spotlight, and you would screw that in, and then this would go in the ground. But if you want to put them in your house, you can take off the ground mount and you can aim them at a wall. So let me continue to go push the button through the box, the control box. So now you see it's cycling through different colors all the way down from the right to the left. And then we'll hit it again. So now it's blinking different colors and changing different colors. And now you have a fade up. And then it fades to a different color. Keeps fading through 6 different colors. Then now they're blinking from each color to the next. Keep clicking the control box. You've got red, fades down, fades up to orange, fades out, fades up to green, and a lighter green, and blue, and then cobalt blue, purples, and all that. Okay. So now we have just blink, just like a strobe. Goes to a green, comes off, goes on to a blue. So it's just strobe lights. So these can be projected onto your house. You can project them into the trees. You can project them on the sidewalk so you can see your footing. You can project them into your flower garden or your bushes, or you can project them on a wall interiorly in your home or outside. And you can have, these are great for Christmas. Let's go to a different. So there is just a solid white. If you just want to light up your exterior sidewalks or your home with just white lights, so there's no color. It's not festive, but it's just some illumination. And then there is a cool white. So that is the demonstration going through the control box. So next I want to talk about, it also comes with a remote control. So the remote control requires two AAA batteries that go in the back. They're not included. You need to put them in yourself. And then on the remote control, you can turn off the lights. So we're going to turn them back on. And and then there is factory default setting. Let's see if I can get in here. You just want to click this mode here to go into different colors. Or you can come down here and hit just red, and it's solid, or green, or blue, white, or a cool white. You can also dim the lights if you want to make them a little dimmer. You can push down the dim and it dims them down. So you can have them very minute, say if you don't want them too bright, or you can put them all the way up to full. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go through these. This right here is a function. They're modes and they're preset defaults. So let's just click into the red. I'm going to turn off the light here. So now you just see them blinking from green to blue to a cobalt blue or lighter blues, some pinks and reds. And then I'll hit it again. Fade up to red. Slowly fades out and fades up to an orange. So they just keep fading from up, and then they fade back down and they turn into another color. Again, these do not put off any heat. They're LED. They'll last, if you turn them on and do not turn them off, they will last up to 2 to 3 years. If they're on forever. So if you just turn them on and never turn them off, they can last up to 2 to 3 years. And let's go to the next mode. So I'm hitting the next mode. There's kind of a strobe from one color to the next. They're strobing. Okay, do that one. Now we're going to turn off this light. So that's a slow fade from 6 different colors. Goes into a light blue or a cool white into a darker blue, a white, pink. Let's hit another one on the remote control. Then you've got your rainbow colors. This is very Christmassy. They're blinking, so this would look really good on the exterior of your home, or you could even project it at your Christmas tree inside your house. But this would be a really cool Christmas effect, which is a default setting on this remote control. Now we're going to go to a kind of a strobe. It's going from the right to the left. It's kind of blinking on down, all blues, all pinks. So that would be a really good Christmas as well. Projection. Okay, next mode. It kind of a rainbow colors. And it looks like they're slowly fading. Each spotlight is changing 6 different colors. Okay, so now we have all red, orange, starting from the right, blinking all the way down to the left. And now we have definitely a strobe of different colors. And then some slow fades. Okay. Okay. I do hope you enjoyed the demonstration of the Lumary Smart Outdoor Spotlights. Each box contains 6 smart spotlights. The length of the wire is 56 feet, and you can chain other spotlights together. Now, also, if you want to, you can download the free app to your phone for the Lumary Smart LED lights, and then you can control each individual light on your phone, and you can program it to millions of combinations, millions. And you can control each individual light. You can control 5 or 6 strands together to do different things. However you decide to program them, you just download this free app, which comes with it, onto your phone to have unlimited programming of these lights. And you can also program them to come on and to turn off when you decide for that. Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to leave at the end of this video 2 links to 2 other videos which I have done. So you'll see 2 links coming up. One is the unboxing of these lights, these spotlights, which I am showing you in detail and talking about the specs and everything in more detail. You'll see that link. And also you'll see a link of these lights projected at my house at night exteriorly, so you can see what they look like at night projected onto the house. So if you want to learn more about these spotlights, again, they do cost around $75, and I bought them from Amazon. So if you want to learn more about these, check out the 2 links coming up. And thank you for watching.